Step to implement RA 9003 for effective waste management and community participation. 1. Conduct a comprehensive waste assessment. The first step in implementing RA 9003 is to conduct a thorough waste assessment within the city. This involved analyzing the types and quantities of waste generated, identifying the key source of waste, and understanding current disposal practices. By gathering data on waste composition, local government official can tailor their strategies to address specific challenges faced by the community. Second, develop integrated solid waste management plan. Based on the finding from the waste assessment, the next priority is to develop an integrated solid waste management plan. This plan should outline clear objective strategies and action plans that align with the principle of RA 9003. It should include components such as waste segregation at source, collection system, recycling initiatives, composting programs, and disposal methods.